So how do you rewire your brain into thinking positively or picking out the positive elements within our day or within our actions or whatever we're doing, the action that we're about to take, उसमें से positive किस तरीके से हम pull out करेंगे? That's the main work. मुझे लगता है ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, लेकिन हम लोग generally we just pick out the negative stuff. Generally कोई हमारे साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन भी करेगा तो मैं उसमें से कुछ ना कुछ नेगेटिव निकालूंगा, अपने ऊपर उसका इम्पैक्ट आने दूंगा और उसकी वजह से सोचता रहूंगा पूरा दिन, यार उसने मुझे वो बात बोली थी, 4 घंटे में बुरा फील कर रहा हूँ, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही हाउ टू ओवरकम दैट फीलिंग और दैट थॉट दैट इज रूमिनेटिंग within my mind. So
it's
how
percolating
do you rewire your brain and train your brain into thinking positively? What do you think on top of it?
On top of my head is self-affirmation. It's just self-acceptance. And until and unless you don't come to terms with all those things that you have gone through in your life, the episodes,
Okay.
Until and unless you don't sit with yourself and really reason with yourself, ask yourself questions, take all the time in the world you need. There's no rush. Because until and unless you are not content with your own inner feelings and your inner emotions and your inner thoughts, psychologically or non-psychologically, neurologically, whatever it is, it's a very different spectrum altogether. You can work with the top most amazing psychologists and you can go to the best neurologists. And if you have neurodivergence or you have neurological issues, then you have to take different steps to figure out what is it that you're actually suffering with first. Until and unless you don't pinpoint the actual problem. Because negativity is it's a very wide genre. It's an umbrella to so many different things, right? So for me personally, I had to encompass many things and circumstances. बहुत से मुझे मुश्किलात और बहुत से मौक़ों से गुज़र के मुझे समझ आई है कि मैं कौन हूँ, मैं कहाँ से आई हूँ, मेरा क्या पर्पस है.
Getting to know yourself.
Yes, getting to know myself.
Know thyself.
And even when your parents tell you that you've wronged or you've done something wrong, I've come to that point in my life where I've worked so hard on myself and on my brain that I'm still not perfect, but I'm perfect enough to know that I am human and I make mistakes. And if my parents correct me with something that I believe is wrong, I won't stand for it. I respect my parents. I will always listen to their decisions and always appreciate them for giving me this life, give them so much gratitude, the upbringing, the education, everything. However, if I don't agree with something that they are disagreeing with, it's okay. It's because I've come...
Respectfully, आप अपना point of view सामने रख सकते हैं.